Hello, I'm going to walk you through briefly how to make your own lecture, demonstration, video, whatever you want using Screen Cast O Matic. And you've got a couple different options here. I'll try and walk you through all the different options so you can determine what you want to do. First things first, obviously you see my little face here in the corner, but you do not have to do that. How do you get to Screen Cast O Matic? First of all, let's escape out of here and let me show you exactly what the website looks like. Here's my website, Screencast O Matic. So you go to screencastomatic.com. I can't go to the official website anymore. It just logs me in every time to my account. So if you just go to screencastomatic.com without the content hashtag, it will ask you what kind of account you want, all that kinds of things. It's very intuitive, very simple to set up. You can do this totally free if you want, or I purchased for about $40, I think, for the year, unlimited access. So with the free version, you can only make videos up to 15 minutes long, and I knew that I wanted some of my lectures to be longer than that. And so I purchased the full, I can use everything on there. I can draw, I can do all kinds of cool things. And I'll show you that here in just a second. So you go to that website, and then you can begin your first recording. So let me get back down to my program again. You can move this box around, you can play with it, it's all good. So when you click Launch Recorder over here, that's going to pop up in your top right corner. You saw that on the website. You're going to click on that. This box is going to pop up, and you're going to click on Open Screen Recorder. And then you're going to get a picture, something like this. And then there you go. Down at the bottom here, you see a couple things going on. So my picture that's live right here, and here's the picture that I took of that, the screenshot earlier. You can select webcam, and then it's just you talking. You can select just screen, and that means that your face will not appear over here at all. It's just going to be whatever's on the screen. So if you have something you want to lecture about, and you've got a PowerPoint, Google slideshow, something like that, video you want to play, it'll play a live video as you're recording also. So you can do lots of different things with it. But you decide whether you want your little gorgeous face on here. That's the webcam part. That would be just you on the screen. Both is what I have selected. So it's showing both what's on my screen, and then I've got a little camera down here at the bottom. All right, next. Once you click that, oh, I forgot to tell you one thing. So you've selected that. Don't worry about any of this. Make sure that you've clicked this on the computer audio, because then when you do play a video, or if you do play a video or have any sounds that you want coming out of your laptop, it will pick those up as well. Don't worry about the narration. There is no max time if you get that $40 thing. And then all you're going to do down here is you're going to move you back here again. I'm going to move this down a little bit so you can see. Okay. So you're going to click down here where it says record. And then it's going to walk you through. It's going to say 3, 2, 1 on the screen, and then you're recording live. Now, when you have finished that, you've clicked on record there. Then when you're finished, that symbol down here on the left is now going to become this as you're recording. And you can do some cool things. So I'm going to show you what this function is right here. By the way, when you want to stop your video, you just click the pause button, and then it'll come up with something else. This little icon right here allows you to draw, which is kind of a cool feature. Here's what you have to do with that. I'm going to click on that now, and it's going to give me some selections of color. I'm going to use, I have a touch screen. You can use a cursor, you can use a stylus, whatever you want, but I'm going to use my finger to make some drawings on there. You can circle things if you want, you can point arrows, and then there's a little bar up here that's going to say erase. You can't see that. I didn't screenshot that, unfortunately, but I erase all my drawings, and then when I want to continue with my slideshow, I got to go back up, and I click on this pen again, and then that allows me to get out of the drawing mode. And you just have to play around with a little, see what you think about that. So let's say we've finished our video. I've hit pause, and then this will pop up. So I'm finished recording, and I can go ahead and trash it. I made tons of mistakes. I didn't like it. I can just click this right here, and it says, do you want to delete everything and start over? Yes, which is no problem. And then it just starts it over for you. No big deal. So do a couple practice runs with that, play around with it. When you're ready to actually publish it, click this button right here, done, and then you're going to get this. What do you want to do with the video that you just recorded? You can save and upload it to Screen Cast O Matic. It'll save those for you. You can share it just as it is to get a link and share it. You can edit it, whatever you want to do. I usually choose to just save and upload because I don't want to do any editing, at least not far along in my career. Maybe later. So I'm not going to edit. I'm going to save and upload. To do that, I'm going to get this that pops up. So these are my options. Am I going to save it as a file? Am I going to save it directly to Screen Cast O Matic, or do I want to upload to YouTube? I personally have my own YouTube account. It's not like I'm a professional or anything, but I just have my own YouTube account because now I can upload things very easily to that, and it gives me a link, and it's really easy. So if you click on upload to YouTube, next you'll get, not quite that, there we go. This next screen right here tells me, okay, YouTube, what do you want me to do with this? So the first thing I want to do is give it a name so I can find it easily. Right now, the name on this would be recording number 20. I've made 20 recordings in the last couple of days. And so I don't want that title. I want to call it something specific. So I click on this, and then a little, let me draw again for you. A little box will appear over to the left, and you're just going to type in here how to, whatever you want up there. So you're going to type that in. You're not going to write it in. And once you've given it a title, then you simply click publish. It's going to think a while. It's going to upload. It's going to take you a little while, get you through some things. And then you're going to come up with this screen right here. I screenshotted that. This happens to be all the videos that I've made. And once I finish uploading it, then I will be given a link to have a link. Then you can copy and paste that link. You need to have some settings involved, and let me show you how to do that here in just a second. Once you've finished uploading your video, you can open it, share it, save it. You can kind of do whatever you want. And I'm going to show you, you can move your picture around while you're recording, okay, to get out of the way of certain things. So say I wanted to move it all the way over here. You just click and drag on there. Pretty darn easy. All right, and so this is my YouTube channel. I'm going to show you that in just a moment here, but congratulations because you've just made a video. It really is fairly simple. It may seem complicated at first. It's really not. Just get in there and play with it. You really can't mess things up too much at all. I'm going to show you my YouTube channel now. And let's see what we've got here. So I'm going to go up to YouTube. There we go. Go to YouTube. I'm going to click over here. That's my little icon. I'm going to go to my channel. So these are some videos that I've created. My husband created this one right here. So if I just click on this one, I can do some editing if I want to, and I can also change my privacy settings, which is important depending on who you want to be able to see this. So this is the video that I made on hominids for my biology peeps. And if I want to do anything with it, I can click on edit the video. This is where I'm going to change my privacy settings and things like that. So I click on edit the video, and then I will come up with this, my thumbnail. And I do want to make this video for kids because then the school's filters don't act so aggressively toward it, right? So yes, it's made for kids. And then I can also change over here. I want my things to be public because I guess at my age, I'm just not ashamed of who sees my mug or not. So I have nothing to hide in this video. I don't have anything to hide anyway. But if I want anybody in the world to be able to search for this for hominids and they stumble across my video, well, then that's awesome. can use it. But I'm going to have a link, so I will just copy and paste this video up here, video link, once I'm out of edit mode. Obviously, I'm not wanting to do it right now, but once I copy and paste that link, I can send that to anybody. I can put it in my Google Classroom, like so. So if I click on I have that tab open, here's my Google Classroom. I can assign this to my students. So let's say I want to assign this to my boys biology class. I'm going to go up here and I'm going to create an assignment for them. This shows you their assignment for Wednesday. Let's say I want to create this assignment. I want them to watch this video. So I would put assignment March 26th, which will be tomorrow. Watch this video and take notes. And I'm going to add my link here. I'm going to add my YouTube URL. So I will copy and paste that. I'll paste that right in there and it will assign them. Save this quite yet, but I copy and pasted my YouTube video there, and then it will add it for me. Get it out of there. There we go. And I add it. I don't know if I can do it right now, but it'll add it down here at the bottom. I can set a due date and I can assign it. I don't want to assign it right now because I have some other things I want to do first. That's what you can do with your video. I hope this has been instructional for you. Give me a shout out via email or phone if you have any questions. And thank you so much. I'm going to now save my own video and upload it. Have a great night. Bye-bye.